All right, today we are back at the junkyard looking for CRV stuff. They got a table? No table. Do they have the little stand? Oh, is that a free tool? Haha. I'm taking this. Okay, so I'm looking for a cluster today. Unfortunately, the EK cluster that I bought didn't work out so well. I don't know if it's because the cluster was damaged when I bought it or because it just doesn't work. I don't know. I don't know if the the fuel gauge was entirely accurate. Obviously because the EKs have different fuel capacity also, so that might be partly why. But we're also looking for other stuff too. So we're gonna be on the lookout for a cluster, which this one doesn't have, and whatever else we can find. Now, if I'm wrong about this, right, just put it down in the comment sections. Let me know if you guys have managed to make a EK cluster workout, and I just got to keep trying. But so far, I've checked these first two. Moving on to 115, and then all of these. All right. Well, at least it stopped raining. Nothing. Not a damn thing. No. Oh no. That's not bad. Hello, kitty. It's not black. Back on the move. Obviously, I am looking for Civic stuff. That 4-door didn't have much. I'm looking for power locks, but I need a 2-door for that. And I'm also looking for powered mirrors. Also 2-door for that. So, ooh, Celica. Nice. Celica GT. Hey, look at that. 160. I'm taking it. A lot shorter than I thought. Only had to check out two rows. Ooh. Damn it. Yeah, it's fine. But 163,000 miles. That's about what I had on my CRV. Everything looks to be fine. We're going to go ahead and take that. Part of the issue, right, was I replaced it. And first of all, the gauges didn't work. I think the fuel gauge stopped working after a while. It just didn't read. So my next brilliant idea was to try to use the parts from the CRV cluster and just replace the gauges. Unfortunately, the needles that I removed from the bezels in order to replace the actual gauges, they, I think, are very sensitive, because when I put them back on, well, first of all, I broke a couple of them. Pay no attention to my RPM gauge. It broke. And second of all, when I put them back in, I guess they have to be put on in a specific orientation, right? Which is difficult to keep track of because there is no mark, and it's just an insert, really. So I failed at that. And when I put them back on, they were just kind of spinning all over the place, or not reading at all. I managed to fix the Speedo one, which is, the most important one, because you don't want to be speeding when you think you're not, right? I guess I'm going back to this stock orange cluster look, which I really don't like, but it's better than a broken cluster. So there it is. We're going to cop this, and we're going to take off. But I just noticed this has a clock as well, and mine is busted too, so I'm taking that. So I managed to get to, what is it? Total of 1, 2, 3 CRVs and none of the rest. So we're gonna call it after. I'm still gonna go through all of these, and I think there's one more Civic here that I can check out. So we're gonna spend some time here looking around, and I'm gonna stash this stuff and come back for it later somewhere. That's right, I forgot this yellow one was here. I think I've already checked this one out though. I don't think it has anything. Oh yeah, no, it does. open. What are we looking at? 181? Nope, mine's better. Oh, glasses everywhere in here. Shit. Yeah, nothing here. Look at that DA over there. Damn. No. Where's the Civic? There's the Civic. This one right here is actually the Civic. I got that integrated control module a while back. And I don't think the door panels are in this thing. What is this? A DX maybe? I can't tell. Let's see. Yep, no door cards. And crank windows here, so it's not even automatic, so I can't even if it did have it, you know, can't use it. Well, these are OEM EG and EJ coupes seats, huh? Cool. So nothing here. I think that's it for all the Civics in the junkyard. Was that that 4-door way back there? This 2-door here, which has been stripped and pretty much gutted. Well, no, there's still some stuff here. Anyway, we're gonna head out and we are going to go. Yep, we're gonna go explore. Check out some more CRVs, see if we can find. Ooh, look at that, 2 of them right there. I did not plan that. I didn't even check. These are at the bottom of the list, I think. Let's see what they got. Leather seats. Yo, they got leather seats, bro. Bruh. Oh, let me in. Leather seats. Oh, damn, the passenger side's torn up. Obviously, this one's torn up, but yo. Let's check out the rear. At the very least, these rear seats. Just, I mean, a little dirty, but nothing. Nothing a little. Kind of torn, not torn, but dented. Cluster with 280 something thousand miles on it. I don't need that because I've got stuff. Oh, is that a table back there? Quit playing. Yeah, it's not a table. Ooh, I got some decisions to make here, boys. Some terrible financial decisions to make here. Why is this on me? All right. It's fine. Let's check out this other one. Okay. Now, if I recall, this is the cloth seat that I have. These door cards look pretty much the same, right? They are leather, sort of, as well. Same thing with this one. So I wouldn't have to change that. Cloth or leather? Cloth, leather. I mean, I love the leather look, you know? Let me look around. It's not that I can't decide, you know? It's just I don't know if this is... It's obviously I want the leather, but there's other stuff to buy, you know? Let's see how much they cost. I'll think about it. And I'll check out these other CRVs and see what else they have to offer as well. See if they got any cool stuff. One other thing I did want to check out is this Integra here. For those of you who don't know, the Integra used to have a dome light there. The EGs and the EJ coupes do not. So, in an effort to make my Civic cooler, I thought I could probably, here it is. Oh, I installed it, but they took it. Damn, look at just how huge this thing is, man. It's incredible. All these junk cars, all this money. So there's that EK cluster that I took. I guess it just didn't work with my CRV, but maybe it's just I got a broken one, right? It happens. Sometimes these clusters go bad, and you can't really tell until you plug them in. Cluster 266. No, thank you. Nothing, huh? No table either. Oh well. Moving on. Okay, nothing here either. No table. Ooh, I know I broke this thing on mine. Yeah, see, they snap clean off. Someone did the exact same thing I did. Clock, no clock. And that's it. Nothing else for me. Nothing else I really want. This, oh look, I knew they had a sunroof. This one, that's pretty cool. Wish I had that. But look at this. This also might be a replacement for the hatchback. Make a note of that. Is this leather? Not leather. Not leather. Does this have a table? Of course it doesn't. Looks like we're calling it, boys. Just pick up our stuff and head on out. All right, we are back. And I did manage to pick up the clock and the cluster. Ooh, churros. I managed to pick up the leather seats. Look at this. Look at them. We're gonna have leather seats in the back of the CRV. Unfortunately, we're not gonna have the cool blue EK cluster, but you know, leather seats, definite plus. Now, they're not from that CRV that I showed you guys here. I found them from another one, but I just couldn't help myself, so I had to take them. So, you know, hopefully I'll find some time to put everything in that CRV. I got some other videos planned for that as well. So, you know, until next time, guys, take care and good speed.